Here's a little animation I made. There are some small things that I would change. The animation where the second plane flies down is a little bit too fast, and the glass of the visor I would change too, because in the beginning I thought it would be cool to see the eyes of the pilot, but more realistically, that glass should be more like black. And the other thing that I would have changed is the glass of the other planes, because I would have liked them a little darker, because now I have all the three planes the same, but realistically I could have changed the other two planes to look good from the outside, and the plane that it's being filmed from, it doesn't have to look good from the outside, but rather more so from the inside. And if you're also interested, I rendered this as a sequence, so instead of rendering the whole animation in one go, I rendered each frame as an image, and I rendered in JPEG form. Honestly, that is the best way of rendering, especially if you're having trouble rendering. And since I have a quite bad computer, it's too risky for me to go for a full animation in one go. So I rendered it in JPEG, and I'm very happy because of that. It was a very smart move, because this whole render, it crashed probably 5 or 6 times. Probably each render took roughly between a minute, and it's 400 frames. And afterwards I put it together as a video, of course, and then in the editing software I also added some sounds to make it feel more realistic.